New 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS is finally back. The real king is back.
How are you, riders? Welcome to Bike Zone Showroom. Today we're talking about one of the most beautiful blends of past and present. A motorcycle that captures the soul of the 1970s and powers it with modern-day engineering. Yes, this is the 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS, the true definition of retro done right. It's more than a bike. It's a statement, a celebration of heritage, and a reminder that style and spirit never go out of fashion. Kawasaki has taken its legendary Z1 DNA and refined it for a new generation of riders who crave both nostalgia and cutting-edge performance. The first impression? Timeless. The 2026 Z900RS looks like it rolled straight out of a classic bike magazine, yet every line, curve, and detail screams modern craftsmanship. The sculpted teardrop fuel tank, the round LED headlight, the vintage-style dual dials, and the perfectly balanced stance all pay homage to the original 1972 Z1 Super 4. The tank now wears deeper metallic paintwork with a mirror gloss finish, and the chrome accents on the exhaust and engine casings are polished to perfection. Even the seat stitching and tail design carry that old-school charm. Yet, hidden beneath all this retro beauty lies a motorcycle built for the modern world. Lightweight trellis frame, high-tech electronics, and performance that can rival any street fighter in its class. It's the kind of bike that turns heads wherever it goes, not because it's loud, but because it's pure art on two wheels. The price of the 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS starts around $12,499 USD, while the Heritage Edition sits closer to $13,999 USD. A fair deal for a motorcycle that blends craftsmanship, technology, and nostalgia so flawlessly. It's not just about numbers. It's about emotion, pride, and timeless design. Powering the Z900RS is Kawasaki's proven 948 CE inline-four engine, producing a thrilling 111 horsepower and 98 Nm of torque. It's the same heart that beats inside the Z900, but here, it's tuned differently. Smoother, more linear, and bursting with character. The throttle response is buttery at low revs, but once you hit that mid-range, the bike comes alive with that iconic inline-four growl. It's a sound that reminds you why we fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. Mechanical, soulful, and raw. The 2026 model also features revised mapping and intake tuning for better torque delivery, especially in the city. On highways, it's relaxed and steady. On twisty roads, it's eager and precise. The 6-speed gearbox shifts effortlessly, and the assist and slipper clutch keeps things smooth during downshifts, even when you're pushing hard. Handling is where the Z900RS surprises most riders. You'd expect a retro bike to feel heavy or old-fashioned, but not this one. The high-tensile steel trellis frame and fully adjustable suspension setup give it agility and confidence. Up front, there's a 41mm inverted fork, while the rear gets a horizontal backlink shock, tuned for both sporty response and everyday comfort. The 2026 version has slightly revised damping settings, making it even more composed on rough roads. The bike feels planted in corners, stable under braking, and nimble in traffic. Add in dual 300mm front discs with radial-mounted calipers and ABS, and you've got stopping power that feels sharp and predictable. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving mountain passes, the Z900RS feels alive beneath you, a machine that rewards finesse and confidence. Technology-wise, Kawasaki has subtly modernized the Z900RS without ruining its vintage vibe. The dual analog dials are now paired with a new full-color TFT display, neatly integrated between them, offering Bluetooth connectivity through Kawasaki Rideology app. You can check notifications, navigation, and bike stats right from the dash. The 2026 update also introduces 3 riding modes: Sport, Road, and Rain, alongside KTRC, Kawasaki Traction Control, and Power Mode selection. LED lighting all around ensures visibility without losing the classic aesthetic. And yes, the headlight retains that warm retro glow, only now with the efficiency of modern LEDs. It's the perfect balance of style and substance. Comfort is where this motorcycle shines beyond expectation. The seat height is just right at around 31.5 inches, making it accessible for riders of different heights. The wide, upright handlebars and neutral foot peg positioning make for a relaxed, natural posture. perfect for long rides or city cruising. The suspension tuning gives a plush feel without being too soft, absorbing bumps effortlessly. The tank shape allows a snug knee grip, giving that old-school connected feel between rider and machine. The 17-liter fuel tank paired with an impressive fuel efficiency of around 45 miles per gallon means you can go nearly 200 miles on a full tank. That's plenty for a weekend trip or daily commuting. Now, here's the exciting part. For 2026, Kawasaki has introduced a Z900RS Heritage Edition. This limited edition model pays tribute to the 1972 Z1 with its fireball orange and brown paint scheme, gold pinstripes, and a classic Kawasaki logo. It also comes with a special numbered badge on the tank and a performance-tuned exhaust that delivers a deeper, throatier note. Only a limited number will be produced, making it an instant collector's piece. So, who is this bike for? The Z900RS is for the rider who values the journey as much as the destination. It's for the purist who respects heritage, but demands performance. For the modern rider who loves classic aesthetics but won't compromise on safety, comfort, or technology. Whether you're a returning rider chasing the glory days of motorcycling, or a new enthusiast drawn to authentic character, the Z900RS speaks your language. It's not about being the fastest. It's about feeling connected, engaged, and inspired every time you ride. In the end, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS is more than a motorcycle. It's a bridge between generations. It proves that style never fades and passion never gets old. Kawasaki has built something special here, a bike that honors its past while embracing the future with confidence and class. Every ride feels like a trip through time, every rev like a heartbeat of history. This is Bike Zone signing off. Ride safe and never stop exploring.